So Rohim, Karim and Gaji can complete a work individually in 15, 6 and 10 days. So how many days will they take to complete the work together? So whenever this kind of problem appears, we have to first convert them into unit, like unit days or unit hours or unit minute, anything in one unit. So for Rohim, we can say he can do this work in 15 days. So he can do this whole work in 15 days. So in one day, what portion of the work he will do? He will do 1 by 15. So for Kodim, in one day, he will also do 1 by 16. And for Gaji, in one day, he will do 1 by 10. So we want total days when they work together. So we can write Rohim plus Kodim plus Gaji in one day will be 1 by 15 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 10, and we have to find the LCM of this term. So 5, it will be 3, 6, 2 and 3, it will be 1, 2 and 2 and 2, it will be 1, 1, 1. So it will be 30. So 30, 2 plus 5 plus 3. So it will be 10 by 30. That means 1 by 3. So they together can do this portion in one day. So now, say they do this portion in one day. So they will do one portion. One portion means the whole work. In how many days? Will be 1 into 3 days. So our answer is 3 days.